Once DNA repair is understood as an active, resource-dependent process, it becomes clear why everyday life factors matter biologically. DNA repair enzymes are proteins. They must be synthesized correctly, folded precisely, supplied with energy, and regulated in time. Each of these steps is sensitive to the cell's internal environment. Diet matters not because it changes genes, but because repair systems require amino acids, micronutrients, and energy to function efficiently. Diets high in calories but low in nutrient density, which is commonly seen today, can subtly limit repair capacity over time. Physical activity also plays a role. Exercise activates signaling pathways that enhance antioxidant defenses. Sleep is especially important. Many repair processes are coordinated with circadian rhythms. This explains why lifestyle influences disease risk gradually rather than immediately. The underlying biology is cumulative.